Welcome. So if you created a blank document like this, and you want to upload or paste image on your website like this, so it's going to happen with using HTML? Come, I will show you how. So for this, firstly, we need image. To put your image on your website, the syntax is used as img showing on your screen. And for locating the image, we use syntax src. After that, there is one more, which is alt. Function of this syntax is to show text when website is not loading. Now I'm going to show you these all things practically.
Type the text img to get the syntax and paste the link here. After saving here, you can see the changes that we got image on our web page. In this method, you have to paste image in that folder where HTML file web page is placed, like here. We have pick on desktop. We copy this image and paste it inside this index folder with any name. Now we will go to the Visual Studio Code, as here you can see that img. Type the syntax to upload the image and select that image. As you can see, the image looks bigger. If you want to create changes with the size of image, so what you have to do, go to Visual Studio Code and type style after the title before the head. Now type img curly brackets between this. Type he height between the brackets, or size. Let example, I am taking 500 pixels. After pressing enter, same as width, we take it as 600 pixels. Now we save it or go to the web page. So here you can see the change, our image is resized. Now we will put any image in background instead of color. So for this, what we have to do, we have to change the syntax from bg color to background is equals to colon, or as you can see here, we have image on our desktop with name of bg. You can use picture with any name. Now we just have to move this picture from here to index folder where our index file is placed. Now you can see this image is showing here in Visual Studio Code. Select that image by searching its name. Now press Ctrl+S and go to web page or refresh it, or you can see the page. So this all is the process of changing the background. Hope you understand. This is the front view of your web page, and this all is a coding behind. Kindly like, share and subscribe.